I'm here in Indianapolis, just a couple miles from the famous Motor Speedway, to check out a joint that's cooking up one of my favorite foods in mass quantity. I mean, they're making over 3,000 of these a week. That's over 150,000 a year. What do you think it is? Exactly what you expect to find in Indianapolis, tamales at the tamale place. Masa, that's dough made from corn.
The key ingredient to any great tamale, and we make fresh masa here.
The way Vladimir learned to do it from his father. Raw corn, dried. This is to grind it up to make the masa, but first, what do we got to do?
Just gonna put the lime there.
The lime in the boiling water.
Then the corn.
And how long is this gonna boil? 5 minutes?
Yeah.
Then it's cooled?
We have to wait 12 hours. Now it's ready to be rinsed.
Get the skin off of it. There we go. The skin's off, and now into the grinder. Yeah, that's nice. Hit it. So what he's doing is he's trying to get the right grind. Look at that. Fresh masa. That is killer. Now you take the masa.
We divide it and then pound portions. For the tamales, for the beef and red.
Got it. This is gonna make the shredded beef for the tamale.
Yeah.
Look at the pot. It's like a little mini hot tub.
Onion, garlic. I'm gonna do the meat. You got it.
Yeah. Go for a three-pointer next.
More onions, some more garlic. Salt, and then some water.
So this is gonna go for about 3 hours?
That's right.
Okay, brother. I like this. This is all the basis of the chili sauce.
Ancho, guajillos.
Pasilla, and then the puya.
Now we add water.
Let them steep.
Soak overnight.
Rehydrate. Nice and soft. Look at this. Flesh comes off. Oh, that's it, baby. Throw them in the blender.
Salt.
A little bit of water. They puree real nice.
That's right.
So we've got the pureed chilies with a little bit of water. Now it's time to make the red sauce.
Garlic, onion, black pepper, ground cloves,
Okay.
salt, tomatoes, water.
And that's it.
We blend it.
Now the tomato mixture's done.
Now we put some of these pure chilies into this one right here.
All that to cook the beef.
That's right.
A lot of work, man. So we got all the beef shredded apart, cool it down. What are we up to now?
We're gonna fry it a little bit on oil, you know, onions. Burn it a little bit.
Flavor the oil, right?
That's right.
Gotta take the onion out.
Now we're dropping the meat in there.
All this meat's gonna go in. Gets a little bit of a fry. Now some of the red sauce we made, 8 gallons. Smells awesome. Okay, so how much longer is this gonna cook?
15 minutes.
Then we take it to the masa.
Uh-huh.
He's the bossa of the masa. So the masa, balled up and ready to go.
Gotta separate. We'll do the oil first.
Kind of creams up the masa.
Salt, baking powder.
That's what makes them nice and light and airy, not super dense and hard. Okay.
Now we mix it.
How many tamales will this make?
70 tamales.
About 70?
We add some red salsa.
Okay, so we mix all this up, and then we start building tamales.
That's right.
Got it. So we got the husks that have been soaked in the water, so they're nice and pliable. Nice big fat ones, too.
Some oil.
So it doesn't stick.
Put some masa.
Okay.
Some salsa.
Oh, it's gonna be nice and moist.
And some meat.
That's generous, baby. I hate when it's so much masa and just a little bit of meat.
Roll the tamal, fold it up, some thyme, a little bit of salsa.
And a little bit more in there.
Yeah, there we go.
And then we're gonna stand all those up in the steamer, start it from cold, stack them up, 35, 40 minutes, then they're done.
That's right, beef and red.
All right, the size of this. Oh, it's huge, man. The masa's got really nice flavor to it. And the meat inside, nothing like shredded Mexican beef. Great job, brother.
Thank you.
Here's your 2 beef reds.
It tastes great. You can taste all of the flavors blending.
It's really kind of sweet and beefy at the same time.
It's better than anything. It's really good.